In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, use this icon at the top right corner. And with your first app opened as a floating window, launch the second one. Now you need to hold this line at the top of your window and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!